Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We are doing unboxing and I'm unboxing something that I've got a long time ago. I wanted to actually be including my makeup videos on my first channel and my skincare videos, my vlogs on my first channel, which I was doing, but it's not really going well because that is not why people subscribe to my channel. So I decided to move it to another channel where I will attract the people that really want this information instead of giving it to the wrong people. I got this a very long time ago, like last year. Okay, 2021. It should be around September. Colourpop. I don't even know if I've opened this box since I got it. My receipts. So a total of nine items. And one thing with Colourpop is that it's really affordable. I've used one of their products. I can't remember what is that, whether it's bought or something. Very beautiful. And I've been seeing videos about them on YouTube here. And I see the outcome. Very beautiful. Okay, this is actually blush. Yeah. Let's swap. Matte blush. This actually is very beautiful. Colourpop, like I love the packaging. It's so cute. Petite 21B2. In case you want to get it, it is cruelty free. I got this too. I'm going to be pinning my hair with it while doing my makeup so that the hair does not obstruct my face. So this is 2 hair clips. Colourpop hair clips. You can see that. Very beautiful. This is Pretty Fresh Colourpop, ideal for all skin types, oil free. What is this? Satin mist. Seriously, I can't even remember what I ordered. What is inside the box? Colourpop Pretty Fresh. This is their satin mist. Let's try this. It smells like strawberry, like vanilla. No filter concealer. Yes, this is something I really want. I've been using LA Girl since I know how to do makeup. I'm tired. I really wanted to try something else, and then I got this no filter concealer. The packaging is nice, really nice. Like yes, this is what I actually wanted. No filter needed. Feather effect styling wax. I love cute stuff. Okay, yeah. I don't know if it's still good. Clear feather effect styling wax. This is for brows. Brow pencil. Okay. Wow, I love this because of this. The pencil is here, the spoolie is here, so everything you need in one stick. Colourpop liquid liner. Okay, PFF liquid liner. Ooh, it is so pointed. I love this. I'm not someone that really uses liner, so when I saw this, it was really pointed. I felt like it's something that can work easily for me, so I decided to get it. Volumizing mascara. So this is going to give your brow volumizing. In case you have thin brows and you need it to be full and you don't want to go with lashes, I'm sure this will do since it's volumizing. The last thing we have here is eyeshadow. I was really particular about getting eyeshadow because the only one I have here is Huda Beauty. One I got Nigerian brand. It's bad already, so I made away with it. Okay, so this is pressed powder palettes. These are the stocks that it has inside of it, the names. Love the packaging. Yeah. Oh yeah. Ooh, I just took a little, okay. Wow. Oh my goodness, this is beautiful. I love how it shimmers. I love the shine. Oh my god, forget it. My goodness. I have another one, another product, Illamasqua. So the first place I got to see Illamasqua was from Dimma Umi. When I watch her makeup videos, I saw the pot of veil, Illamasqua veil, the primer. So I've been looking for a good primer to get, and it's as if it's been her go-to primer, and I decided to check it out. I'm going to be doing this unboxing here because Nigerian postal service, I don't want to say it's very poor, but it took me time to get this. In fact, I had to pay half of the money I purchased this for before I could get it custom. It is not funny. So the way they packaged it, the carton is so bad. And knowing that I got this, actually got this in November. I paid for this and this the same time, but I got this one in November because they held on to it. They refused me taking it. That I will pay a huge amount of money before I get it. They were actually listing the number of products that were inside, and they charged me for it. I don't have choice because I've already ordered it and I need to get it out. So I just have to pay the money and get it. So I made away with the carton. The carton is so bad, it's not even looking good. I don't know if that's how Illamasqua packaged it. So I wasn't really happy. I had to, it's not been, I just threw away the carton recently, and every paper, plenty paper inside. I was like, what is this? So but I was a little bit disappointed in the products because when I saw it on their site, they looked really large, but after purchasing them, I now saw that they are so mini, tiny. So okay, it's tiny, but we'll see what it can do on my face when I use it. So this is Iconic Chrome pigment paint. Can't even remember what this is. I placed order for it. I don't really know what it is. Okay, this is like a glitter, a shimmer. Okay, this is what it looks like. Okay, that's fine. The glow is beautiful. Illamasqua made veil that I saw Dimma using. I guess I ordered the small one because the one I see Dimma using is really big, and I've opened this before, and after opening this, I don't know if it's the postal service, how they mishandled it. The thing already poured, like it's half. I'm telling you guys, half. Okay, just like what you're seeing, that is how it is handled. This is the matte veil. I paid a whole lot for this, and the ones that poured out is already dried up. Like, I don't know how many times I'm going to, I think I'll just use this once or twice and it will finish. Guys, this is it. I don't know if it's from Illamasqua or it's from the postal service we have here. Illamasqua Skin Based Foundation. This is their foundation. I have to chat them up too for them to recommend the tone that I'm going to get. This is gel sculpt. Funny enough, everything is just so tiny, very tiny. Wow, I love this packaging, well secured. Look at that. Okay, this is it. I love this. I love this because I'm going to just easily I think this is a lipstick. Okay. Oh, okay, this is for the lips. That is the shade. It's nice. I got 6 items from Illamasqua, and this is the last one. This is lipstick. I thought I got lip liner, didn't I? Hey, this is lipstick, and the other one is like liquid lipstick. Everything is just so tiny, very tiny. I don't know, very tiny, everything. It's the same shade with the liquid. Okay, you guys, this is all that it is. Ooh. This is all that it is, the unboxing, and expect next video. It may be a vlog, it might be a makeup tutorial. So you guys, Illamasqua ships to Nigeria, Colourpop ships to Nigeria, so I literally find it very difficult getting original makeup from here. I've gotten a lot and they are not original. I end up throwing them away, so I prefer ordering them. Although there are some beautiful makeups that I would like to get that they don't ship here, but so beautiful that I found out that some of the stores are in ShopRite. I could probably go there and get the other brands that I really want to try out and see how beautiful they are. So you guys, thank you for watching my video. Thank you for cruising with me. I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Ciao.